Welcome back to Stoic Reflections. Today, we're diving into how to inspire genuine yearning in any woman, even if she initially seems indifferent. Bruce Lee once said, "The key to immortality is first living a life worth remembering." This profound insight highlights the importance of making a lasting impression, which is exactly what we'll explore today. I'll share 5 powerful secrets that will make any woman long for you, regardless of your current relationship status. These strategies will ensure you leave a lasting impact. Number 1. Implement the no contact rule. Here's a hard truth. Women are often attracted to those who seem elusive. They enjoy the thrill of the chase, and the reverse is true as well. The more you pursue, the more they may lose interest. To counter this, limit your communication. Stop oversharing every detail of your day, and avoid being constantly available for trivial chats. Instead, put your phone down and create some distance. As Marcus Aurelius wisely said, "The more we value things outside our control, the less control we have." By not constantly engaging, you give her the space to wonder about you, making you more intriguing in her eyes. This absence can even spark jealousy and increase her interest as she imagines you with someone else. Demonstrating that you're self-sufficient and independent not only makes you more attractive, but also reinforces the Stoic principle of autonomy. This space allows her to see you as a choice, not a necessity, which paradoxically makes you more desirable. Number 2. Resist attention traps. When a woman notices your absence, she might set subtle traps to regain your attention. In today's world, this often happens through social media, where she might post attention-grabbing pictures or status updates. Your stoic resolve should come into play here. Resist the urge to engage. Don't like or comment on her posts. By doing so, you maintain control and demonstrate the strength of a true stoic. As Marcus Aurelius said, "The best revenge is to be unlike him who performed the injury." Ignoring her attempts to provoke a reaction unsettles her and makes her question her actions, increasing her longing for your attention. This is not about manipulation, but about showing emotional discipline and control. By focusing on your own growth and interests, you naturally become more appealing. Number 3. Showcase your thriving life. When she starts missing you, she'll likely be curious about what you're up to. If she finds you are thriving and engaged in exciting activities, she'll be more inclined to reconnect. Post updates on social media about your successes and enjoyable experiences, but avoid sharing mundane details or complaints. This doesn't mean boasting, but rather demonstrating that you're living a fulfilling life. Authenticity is key here. Post pictures that reflect genuine happiness and contentment. This will remind her of what she's missing and highlight that you're thriving without her. Imagine her seeing you at a friend's wedding, genuinely enjoying the moment, and realizing she's not part of this joy anymore. Number 4. Evoke a sense of jealousy. To make a woman miss you deeply, even if she seems uninterested, evoke a subtle sense of jealousy. This can be achieved by showing that you're enjoying your life and finding happiness without her. This tactic isn't about manipulation, but about letting her see the vibrant, fulfilling life you're leading. If she feels she's missing out on something special, it can trigger a strong emotional response. The key is to be authentic and joyful, reflecting a stoic sense of contentment that naturally attracts others. Number 5. Maintain emotional resilience. Stoicism teaches us to find balance and resilience in all aspects of life, including relationships. By embodying these principles, you make yourself more attractive. Demonstrate emotional intelligence and self-reliance, and let these traits shine through in your interactions. This not only helps in romantic pursuits, but also enhances your overall well-being. Reflect on how your emotional discipline can benefit other areas of your life, and embrace the Stoic approach to build a strong, appealing presence. By following these Stoic principles, you'll become more desirable and grounded, ensuring that you leave a lasting impression and attract the right kind of attention. Through the lens of timeless Stoic wisdom, everyday interactions can be transformed into powerful connections. One strategy to capture a woman's attention is to subtly invoke a sense of jealousy. When a woman perceives a hint of competition, she may become more invested in winning your attention, fearing that someone else might take her place. This approach doesn't require you to date or even converse with someone else explicitly. It can be as simple as posting a picture with friends that includes another woman. If this woman appears close to you in the photo, it heightens the effect. Tagging her in your pictures can further intensify the impact, as she will likely notice and investigate her profile out of curiosity and a desire to gauge her as a potential rival. Whether the woman is a friend or someone more significant, the uncertainty you create can stir her imagination, leading her to envision scenarios where you might be involved with someone else. Even a seemingly innocent act, like sharing a picture of your celebrity crush, can evoke a form of jealousy. The underlying message is clear. You are demonstrating that you have other options, which in reality you do. This concept aligns with Stoic philosophy, as highlighted by Epictetus, who said, "It is not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." By subtly indicating your desirability and other prospects, you are not manipulating but rather creating a scene that showcases your value. The woman's response to this perceived competition may make her want to be closer to you. To deepen this connection, consider giving her an easy way to remember you. When you spend time together, engage in activities she enjoys and add a touch of humor. Creating memorable moments with jokes or unique nicknames can have a significant impact. This approach taps into associative memory, helping her to recall you fondly even in your absence. For instance, you might associate her with a character from her favorite TV show, making lighthearted jokes about it. Alternatively, giving her a unique yet meaningful nickname can be effective. Ensure the nickname is something she encounters regularly, such as related to her favorite food, color, or TV show. Imagine calling her Sunshine because of her radiant personality and love for sunny days. Every time she hears the word sunshine, whether in a song or conversation, she'll think of you and the enjoyable moments you've shared. This tactic uses Stoic principles to create lasting, positive impressions without being overbearing. By focusing on meaningful, shared experiences, you foster a natural bond that makes her miss you when you're not around. Consider John, a dedicated professional who met Sarah at a mutual friend's party. They discovered a shared love for hiking and comedy. John, wanting to make a lasting impression, took Sarah on a hiking trip to her favorite trail and nicknamed her Trailblazer because of her adventurous spirit. They laughed over hiking mishaps and bonded over their favorite comedians. Weeks later, Sarah found herself laughing at the same jokes and feeling nostalgic when she saw hiking trails. John's thoughtful nickname and their shared humor created fond memories that made her miss his presence. Reflect on how you can apply these principles to create memorable experiences. What activities or interests could you share to build such lasting connections? How can you integrate Stoic happiness into your interactions to ensure that the moments you create are cherished and missed? By being genuinely interested, funny, and thoughtful, you leave a positive, enduring mark on someone's life, deepening your connection and aligning with Stoic principles to foster meaningful bonds based on shared joy and mutual respect. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences with these principles. How have they worked for you? What challenges have you faced? Share your comments below, and let's continue the discussion. Don't forget to join the channel and stay tuned for our next video. Thank you for being a part of the discussion, and remember to embrace a Stoic approach to life. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.